For the tools and techniques you need to make or repair bags, shoes, clothing, and much more, this is the Ohio Travel Bag Workshop. Today we're going to show you how to build a zipper for a purse or a bag. Step 1. Get the right tools. You will need your zipper chain, needle nose pliers, zipper slider, top and bottom stops, and scissors. Step 2. Add the zipper slider. We're using a number 5 YKK metal zipper coil. Cut your zipper chain to the desired length, then pull the zipper teeth apart so we can add the zipper slider. Make sure the zipper teeth are pointing up when adding the zipper to it, or it will be difficult to slide. Step 3. Add the zipper stopper. For a purse or bag, the zipper doesn't need to separate, so we will use a stopper at each end of the tape to make sure the zipper sliders stay put. If you need to trim the tape further, go ahead and do that. Next, find the spot you want the zipper to stop at and push the stopper into the zipper tape fabric. Then, with your needle nose pliers, fold the points of the stopper down over the back of the zipper teeth. The remaining zipper teeth can then be tucked into your bag or purse. And there you have it, building a zipper for a purse or bag. Try it yourself. Find all the tools and more at ohiotravelbag.com.